Hi, and welcome to our series on Python. We're actually in this video going to download Python from https://python.org. This is the address you want to go to. Enter. And there we are. We've arrived at Python. And we want to download the latest version of Python, which is actually 3.6.5. Also, don't worry too much about the fact that in this particular series that we're doing, we're going to use the 32-bit for convenience. There's a whole bunch of issues around the 64-bit, and we'll talk about that a little later. For now, we're going to just download Python 3.6.5, and I'm going to run it straight away, straight off the internet. And there we are. Okay, we're halfway there. Few moments more and we'll be done with the downloading. After it's downloaded and installed, we would like to then see if the Python interpreter is available from the command prompt. So we're going to install, and it says it's going to install it in this directory. You don't have to change that. Let it go into that default directory. We're actually just going to use the standard install now button. And there we are, it's installing. Okay, and this will take a little while. I actually had Python installed already and I removed it. I had another version as well, the Anaconda version for data. It's data friendly, so I uninstalled everything so that users can see an installation from the very beginning. There we are, off we go. Installation's happening. And this should happen on your computer as well. We're running Python off an Ubuntu desktop as well, and that's quite a bit of fun. It's very easy and everything works the same. It's just that the operating system is different. Okay, so we could have cut this out of the video. I mean, it's just boring looking at this happening, but I thought it would be important for you to see all the files and dependencies that's being installed, so that you will know pretty much how your installation should go. And it's a very easy installation, so there's nothing really to customize or do at the beginning. Okay, there's the libraries being pre-compiled. And shouldn't be much longer now. Okay, and there's the installation complete. We can now close this dialog box, and in the next video we're going to call up the Python interpreter from the Windows command prompt, and we will start using Python statements. Thank you and goodbye.